Naya the squirrel lived by a grand old oak tree, her home as cozy as a warm nut. She often wondered what lay beyond the familiar branches. One sunny morning, Naya decided it was time for her very first adventure. With a little skip, she set off, her heart thumping with excitement. The path led her deeper into the whispering woods, where the trees were taller and the shadows played hide and seek. She hummed a happy tune as she walked, her little satchel bouncing gently on her side. Soon, a new sound reached her ears, a gentle gurgle that grew louder with every step. She peeked through some tall ferns and saw it, a rushing stream, wider than any puddle she had ever seen. The water swirled and tumbled, making her tiny paws feel a bit wobbly just looking at it. This was her first big challenge. Naya took a deep breath, remembering her brave adventuring spirit. She spotted a line of smooth, grey stones stretching across the water, like stepping stones waiting for her. One step, then another. Naya carefully placed her paws on the slippery stones. The water splashed near her, but she kept going. With a final leap, she landed safely on the other side. A big smile spread across her face. The forest on this side felt different, wilder and full of exciting new smells. Suddenly, the sky began to darken, and the gentle breeze turned into a strong gust. A storm was brewing. Naya felt a shiver, but she knew she couldn't turn back now. She found a cozy nook under the roots of a giant, ancient tree, hoping to wait out the storm. The wind howled and whistled, making the branches dance wildly. Rain began to patter, then pour. It was noisy and a little scary, but Naya held tight to her staff, feeling a spark of bravery inside. She thought about the rushing stream and how she had crossed it. That made her feel strong. After a long while, the wind softened, and the rain turned into a gentle drip, drip. The sun peeked through the clouds, painting the wet leaves with sparkling light. The world felt fresh and new. She shook the water from her tail and continued her journey, feeling even braver than before. The path led her through fields of wildflowers, buzzing with busy bees and fluttering butterflies. She discovered a tall, sweet-smelling berry bush and enjoyed a delicious snack, her energy renewed. Every new sight and sound filled her with wonder, proving that venturing out was truly special.